Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Mecca sample review on this product here, which you definitely can't see, but it is the PERRICONE Face Firming Retinol Serum. Now what's interesting about this, I went into Mecca to talk to them about starting to use retinols. Now when I looked this up on their website, so she wrote the Face Firming Retinol Serum, but when I tried to find it on their website, it's called the PERRICONE High Potency Classics Face Firming Serum. Now it doesn't say anything about a retinol specifically, so I don't know. I really don't understand if this is or isn't, so if you can shed light on that for me, definitely let me know, because yeah, I just was a little confused with that. Okay, so yeah, there's still some in here. Let me give you my first impressions and then I will go into what it says about it. Sorry, I feel like I'm all over the place today. So this is like a milky looking serum. It is quite thick and it smells, it's quite a strong scent. It kind of smells like a vetiver sandalwood type fragrance, but also very clean and spa-like. I don't like really fragranced products, to be honest, but I actually do really like this. Like, yeah, sometimes there's an exception, and this is definitely an exception. So yeah, definitely if fragrances matter to you, smell this first before buying it. But again, Mecca is so amazing with samples, so grab a sample and see how your skin reacts to it as well. So about this product, I actually hadn't heard of this brand before. It was just something that the girl recommended to me with a Dr. Dennis Gross one, I believe, which I love that brand. Anyway, so this comes in a 59ml bottle and it is $151, so very expensive in my opinion. I don't know if I would spend that much, but I was like, okay, I'll try it. So it just says it's an ultra concentrated firming treatment. The benefits of it are hydrating, brightening, exfoliating, firming, oil-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free. Now it says a powerful firming serum that helps to visibly reduce the length, width and depth of wrinkles and reveals a plump, luminous complexion. This powerhouse treatment includes the highest potency of PERRICONE MD's signature sciences. Key ingredients are alpha lipoic acid, a potent antioxidant that reduces fine lines and wrinkles and pores. I don't know how to say this, but it's DMAE, instantly firms and visibly lifts sagging skin. A hyaluronic acid, water-binding molecule that deeply hydrates, plumps and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Glycolic acid, holy grail acid exfoliator, reveals a brighter, smoother complexion. Then it's made without animal products, parabens, sulfates, gluten and mineral oil. And then for usage, it just says after cleansing, massage into face and neck in an gentle upwards motion. So I use this for about 3 days. Now I know I'm gonna say that this is a retinol, but it doesn't say. So I'm just going off what she's written on this. What I've heard about retinols is start slow and then build up your skin's tolerance to it, because in some cases your skin can react quite badly and also start peeling, which is something that I was super scared about. I had this sample for like a week before I was like game enough to try it because I just didn't want to have skin problems. So I put this on, cleansed, put it on, and to be honest, the first two times my skin started to feel like it was really heating up. It wasn't overly like, this is burning, I'm in pain, but my face was definitely hot and started to get quite red. So for what I did, and for the whole time I did use this, I basically got like just a gentle, I think it was QV moisturizer, rubbed it in my hands and just like patted it into my skin, which I found helped so much, just to give my skin like a bit of a cooling sensation and to hydrate it. And yeah, I really feel like that works. So if you're trying a retinol, I would suggest that. But in saying that, maybe ask an expert, because I have no idea. It's just what I felt like doing, and for me it really paid off. So with this product, to be honest, it's so expensive, as I said, but wow, the feeling of my skin, I was like so excited, surprised but annoyed. Excited because I was like, this is amazing. Surprised because I couldn't believe how literally after one use, the feeling of my skin, the texture, like I honestly feel like my skin became more like even in a way, like less pigmentation, because I have like some freckles. I feel like it just became more even, and annoyed because of the price. I'm like, of course this has to be that expensive, because I don't know if I'm gonna spend that much. Like, that's a lot to me. So yeah, if you're looking for a retinol or something that gets rid of wrinkles, makes your skin super even, feels beautiful, then I highly recommend checking out this product. Like, honestly, so amazing. I really was surprised. So I would recommend it, but it's just the price that's holding me back from purchasing a bottle. But if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.